Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up limit orders on Robinhood. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to access the trade screen, and all you want to do is open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and then tap trade in the bottom navigation bar. Now you want to select the stock that you want to trade and move on to step 2, which is to choose the order type. Here you want to tap order type on the trade screen, and then from the list of available order types you want to select limit order. Now move on to step 3, where you set the limit price. So just type in the price at which you want to buy or sell the stock, and then select whether you want to buy or sell the stock. And then the step 4 is to set the order quantity. Here you just got to type in the number of shares that you want to buy or sell. And the 5th step is to review and confirm the order. So you got to ensure that the stock, the limit price, the order direction and quantity are all accurate and correct. And then you just want to tap confirm to place the limit order. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up limit orders on Robinhood. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.